there she is. Oh my God, I love you. That's from the cute little plant Deborah got me from the dealership. It's my 7-seater. Sunder, fuck your 9-seater. I got my own 7-seater and I love it more than yours. And I'm gonna hump this car. Be warned, Karen's on board. And please don't mind the way I look because I tend to decompose in winter. All will be fine in spring. I'm 43 years old and I finally bought my first car. I'm like, ah! I'm so happy I could cry. My car, no one can ever take it from me again. Bought and paid for. Okay, so one of the things that I really love about this car is, first of all, this fits, which normally it sort of doesn't. But look, it's got this. So, okay, sure. Lovely. Now I only need 3 more. There we go, kids. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna have to judge all of this, but okay. There's a warning triangle in there. I don't need that double redundant. Sleepo, anyone? I am so fucking happy, you have no idea. What do I got? I got food. And my boots are making everything dirty again. It's so big. No? Tank girl? Anyone? No? Just me then. See, I got my own. This slot. Let's try that. That is practical. I like that. I like that. Ooh! That means this annoying thing in the middle of the car can actually go like this. Ooh, I was hoping that something like that and I was actually gonna make it myself, but I don't have to know anymore. I still have to blind the window, so for now I'm just gonna lick this shit and chuck it in here. Lost something. Oops. So Bex got me this thing. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it yet, but at least I'm always looking for this parking cart thing. Then spare glasses, and we'll get new ones next week. And I've got one of those. Music sucks banana butt. Yes! One of them scrubby things, and luckily I already found a garage. I'm gonna need them to, you know, hang that up. This one as well, because I'm too retarded for it. Oh, this fits. I like it. Of course, the toolkit was just 2 centimeters too high. But all of this shit needs to be able to fit here so that I can pull up this chairs, yeah? Isn't this brilliant? I'm gonna chuck shit in there. And there's a delicate matter of pimping your ride. In my case, that's what it looks like. And yes, you can buy these beach towels at votechmerch.com. Oh my God, I love this car. Bear with me, because I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna do it. But I'm terrified because it's not about that time. So I'm gonna position you here. Please laugh your ass off. I love this car. Oh, you're so pretty. Baby, baby, baby. Won't you be my car? I'm gonna stroke you. But, oh no. Fuck off. Oh no. It doesn't say Slayer. It does. Because it's my car. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, yes. Hey, put on the light. Because I can't film my shit. Right? Come on. I know y'all got a car, but I never did. So, can you just be happy for me while I'm waiting on steering wheel? Hey, they fixed it up pretty nice, didn't they? Oh, no, they didn't. No, it's just upside down is all. Steering wheel's kind of fucked. It's kind of fucked. It's a little less fucked than it was before when I was not licking my car yet. And yes. Are you not happy for me? Be happy for me. And there's these people walking past and they're going, there's a selfie filming psycho. Luckily, they never want to talk to me because I wear precious jackets. I'm like creeps them out. So, it's mine, motherfuckers. It is such a big fucking car. Come on, like, Oh, did I not bring them? I did not bring the music. Oh, I suck. Shit. Okay, so, I'm still gonna search out at some point. I need this car thing with a cam thing with a filming shit. That is for a different day. For now, just be happy for me, because I own my own car. Because I actually, for first of this time in my life, I actually need one. Because, you know, living in the Hague, you're faster on a bike. Everyone knows it. So, but now I really do need it. So I spend a whole bunch of money that I hope to earn back. And if I don't, I'm gonna earn it back on all the hookers I ain't gonna pay for. Because I got my own car. Hey, I look like the singer from Venom. What's his name? Kronos. That's not what I meant. What I meant is like, I was going out to buy tobacco. I came across his cutest car, and guess what? The motherfucker is mine, and I know it because of goddamn Slayer bitches. Because I love my car. Look at you being pretty. Oh my god, no one has ever been this pretty before. Deze is voor Lars van Autocoach. Ik had je beloofd dat ik de motor op zijn laser ging geven, dus welkom in Duitsland.
I move by psychokinetic power. Exterminate, destroy. You turn if you want to. The lady's not for turning. I move by psychokinetic power. There is no such thing as society. No, no, no. Exterminate. 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 Destroy. Exterminate. Destroy. Exterminate. Destroy. Exterminate. Destroy. Exterminate.
Oké, dat was geil. Ik zit helemaal te trillen. Oh. Ja.